Welcome to Digital Citizenship. Today we'll be learning about Learning Unit 1. And I just want to say welcome to this module. It's a very interesting module. It has a little bit of a component of IT, which is your little bit of technology there. And so for those that are very interested in learning more about how technology affects us, we have 9 elements of how it makes up digital citizenship. And we're going to learn more about that in the following slides. This is a disclaimer I've attached to please note that all content used has come from our module manual and all images have been accessed through Google and should be referenced in accordance with the IE Harvard Reference Guide. Please note that this is a VC Learn module and you should go into your VC Learn platform to access more activities and additional reading to support your understanding of our coursework. There will also be on your VC Learn tab library referencing material for your IE Harvard Reference Guide. The new referencing structure will be at the beginning of all your assessments and also some interesting documents of how to write out essays and so forth. Firstly, I want to point out that there is no textbook for our module. We have the use of the module manual. There'll also be within the module manual all these recommended readings, links to support your understanding of all the module manual content. And you can access the module manual and module outline through the student portal. Our module purpose is, it is a practical and interactive module. It's designed to explore and understand the internet today with social media and how to become a responsible digital citizen. The assessments. So when you look into your module outline, you'll notice that it'll show you everything you need to know about this module, including the purpose and its outcomes, as well as the assessments. We have a task, which makes up part of this, and an e-portfolio, which is also quite equal in the weighting there. These two are going to make up your only assessments, so we don't have a test, assignment, or exam, just these two assessments. And when you're looking within your module outline, you will note that there will be your learning units and learning outcomes, and you can use this as a checklist with your lecturer, and if you don't understand an outcome, you can always address it in future. Here would be all our learning units for this module manual. So the first learning unit looks at digital access in more detail. The second learning unit is digital literacy. The third being digital communication, digital etiquette, digital rights and responsibilities, digital law, digital security, digital health and wellness, and digital commerce. So these all make up the 9 elements of digital citizenship. And every learning unit in your module manual will be an element. So let's get started today. We're going to learn more about, I do want to take you through a quick introduction into every element of digital citizenship. And then we'll go into Learning Unit 1, which explains digital access and its issues around access. We'll also tackle a little bit of terminology of data, information, and knowledge. And the issues would be around social, business, and education in digital access. Okay, are we ready to get started? Okay, great. Let's go. Okay, so the introduction, which is on page 17, looks at modern technology. You will notice that there is now a difference of how technology affects us when we're online versus when we're offline. We have that safety that when we're online, we can be anonymous, we can be a different person, and we always see there is a bit of a difference of how you are online as a person and offline. You have an Instagram personality versus how you are in real life. There also is an unethical and illegal use of technology, which is that you can spam people, piracy, and so on. And there's also health and wellness suffering, which is cyberbullying, cyberstalking, psychological internet addiction, physiological suffering, where you can get carpal tunnel syndrome or eye strain, and then security risks, which is that is there malware? Is there the Trojan horse viruses happening on your computer? How can we counter that? So within this module manual, we do look into a lot about technology, and there's always an open discussion when it comes to technology because all of you are quite young. So you're used to technology there, and you can agree that technology, as we're going through the years, is just increasing and increasing, becoming more part of our world. So we need to know a lot about it. First of all, what exactly is digital citizenship? It is the concept of norms of an appropriate, responsible technology use. So therefore, anyone that's a digital citizen is someone that should be using technology responsibly, and anyone can be a technology user. So therefore, because you're listening to this video, you are a digital citizen. A digital citizen is a concept of accepted norms and appropriate behavior when we use technology responsibly. Okay, let's go into the next part of our work.